Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. Now listen, you got to watch this video. It's from my class this past weekend, and it's going to show you the most important of the 3 techniques. This is the one that's going to save your life out there on the street, and it is the proper use of your head and eyes. We'll show you exactly what happens if you don't use your head and eyes, and we'll show you exactly what happens when you do. These are students in the class. Some of them experienced riders. Well, actually all of them experienced riders. Some experienced in the proper techniques, others that weren't. I'm just so glad they came to the class and realize that they need some help, and that's what I was there to do, is give them some help. Remember, head and eyes will save your life. And we have this video. This is actually 2 videos for more detail than what you're going to see in this 10-minute video. We've got Ride Like a Pro and Surviving the Mean Streets. $34.95. It's on the website. USB, plug it into your phone and go out and practice. But believe me, your instincts are wrong. If you've been riding for years strictly on instinct, whatever your brain tells you about riding a motorcycle, it's wrong. Now watch this very carefully and make sure you read the subtitles that I put in this video, because it's important. Now today we have, most of the students have been here before, so they're here to really refine their skills. Not all of them. In other words, not this guy. But most of the students have been here before. This is very typical, going too slow, not turning the head, all the things we tell them not to do. Okay, you got to keep your head and eyes up. You got to pick up some speed. You're going through here at below 5 miles an hour. Same thing in the turn. It's impossible. Get that speed going and push on those bars aggressively. In between those cones and turn your head. Donna, put that other cone back. He looked right at it. Huh? He looked right at it.
Right at it.
Yep. Two BMWs today, no waiting. I said quicker head turns, not slower. Turn your head all the way. Approach that, approach it leaning to the right. Leaning, leaning. The people think that BMWs handle so well. I don't know, it looks like the Harley guys are handling their bikes a hell of a lot better than the BMW guys. Then again, there's this guy. He's a little tentative. He'll get it though. He's twice the rider he was at 9 o'clock this morning, no question about that. Don't stop in the middle of the turn, keep going. Don't look there. You look there. Don't look there. Keep looking at that cone, and I put it there specifically because it would be in their way. And you see, as soon as they look at it, it screws them all up. They don't want to hit it, so they have to go outside of it. So we have 3 guys that aren't looking at the wrong cones, and we got 3 guys who are. Looking dead at it. Looking dead at the cone he don't want to hit. Major improvements. As it should be. About 3 hours into the class. Sure, they're still going to make mistakes. But already at least twice the riders they were when they came in. And here's the exercise where we separate the men from the boys, the head turners from the non-head turners. Because if you don't turn your head here, you ain't gonna make it. He's trying to look at the cones right in front of him. There's room for error, but it's so much easier if you only look at the key places you want to put those cones, or you want to put the front tire. All the way to the green. Look at this green. Now look at that green. Next circle, green. Next one. Next one, next one, next one. Almost made it. Beamer number 2. This is a difficult bike to do this exercise on. Cut himself short. Ooh. Ooh. Didn't turn your head. I gotta tell this guy what he's doing is leaning with the motorcycle. That's good for high speeds, but low speeds you want to lean to the opposite side. But he's doing very good, so maybe I should just leave him alone. You realize that you're leaning with the motorcycle instead of to the high side?
Alright.
Try to move your ass to the high side.
Okay.
He's doing it too, he shouldn't be. Just like him, you're leaning to the low side. Try moving your weight to the high side.
Alright, I wasn't even thinking about that. I've been telling Mark that all day.
Yeah. Well, I just told him. At above 20, you know, at a winding road, it's okay to do that. But at low speeds, you want to keep your weight on the high side. You realize you improved like 300%? But now, if you actually turned your head in these exercises and only looked at the green cones instead of everyone in front of you, you could do this blindfolded in sight saddle. Look for that green only. Don't look at that cone that's right in front of your tire. Bring it all the way over here. Keep coming, keep coming. Oh, you cut it short. You cut it short. Turn your head. Turn your head and you'll make it. Don't look at the ones you don't want to hit. Turn your head. Turn your head. Get back in it. Do it again. Do that circle again. One more time. Turn your head. Over there. Over there. Don't look at this cone. I know you want to. You realize if you don't look at the one right in front of you, it's easy. If you just look for the green ones. In this one here, this 26-foot turn, you want to get really close to that green and this orange cone because you were cutting it short. You were cutting like 3 feet off of it. So make it easy on yourself. Use all the space. I pay for the whole space. It's on me. Do you realize what you did? Here, look. No, you right over here, you turned over here. instead of over here. So you lost all this space right here, 5 or 6 feet, so you were never gonna make it. So when you come in here, hug these cones, you wanna bring it all the way over here, all the way over here, and then turn. Do it again. Let's see if this rider paid attention to me telling him to shift his weight.